welcome. We look forward to seeing your skills in action.
You've all been invited today to be a part of the competition called Spark Wars.
In collaboration with 3M and the thankfulness of AIM opening up their facility for us, I just want to thank you guys for taking your time out of your work and for your companies allowing you to take the time out to come and join in this prestigious day.
Hi and welcome, my name is Miguel, I'm from Delta Health and Safety. We are in collaboration with 3M and holding the event called Spark Wars here at Sigma AIM. Today we are showcasing the new Speedglas G5 welding unit. And the Spark Wars contestants are busy in process of getting the ultimate welder in Gauteng, and this will possibly and hopefully spark the next year's event.
Okay, for number one.
Salut to Lebre.
Oh, whoa. Hey! This is your congratulations, man.